YouTube. Um, Skylar. So I'm far away from the computer, and if you guys can't hear me, I'm sorry. I'm just doing an update. I'm going to the hospital the other night because my stomach was really killing me because of the hernias I have. And so they're like, oh, we're scheduling you for emergency surgery. So yesterday at 2 a.m., I got surgery. Um, so they removed two hernias from my belly button, like right up here. I'm probably too far away, but it's my belly button. So I had hernias right here, and I got like an incision. They're probably too far away, and I can't really move, so you can't see them right now. But I had hernia right up here, and they found two of them and removed them. But then they found two more in my groin, so I have a total of four. So after I recover from this surgery, they want me to go and schedule to get another surgery to remove the hernias in my groin. Which, of course, in my body, leave it to me to get a hernia that's uncommon for females. Um, yes, I'm biologically female. Um, and groin hernia is very uncommon in females, so yeah. Um, Other than that, I'm doing alright. I just feel like crap because I can't do anything. This is all I've been doing. Um, I can't really even eat foods. I've been eating yogurt, and so like I can eat yogurts and foods like that. But yeah, that's my update. My roommates are back, so yeah, holding off on my transition. Well, just dealing with my surgeries. Alright, peace.